Drug trafficking. NDLEA nabs pregnant woman, fake soldier, others. Attempts by a female passenger, Obahi Izazel, and one Emmanuel Omber to export illicit drugs to Europe through the Murtala Muhammad International Airport, Lagos, and Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja have been thwarted by officers of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency. The agency said they were arrested shortly before they boarded their flights.
Shun drug traffickers, Marwa warns tricycle owners. The chairman and chief executive of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Brigadier General Muhammad Marwa, RETD, has warned that tricycle owners, popularly known as Kiki Marwa, would lose their investments if they were caught conveying drug traffickers or illicit substances in any part of the country. COVID-19 Delta variant. Why adults should wear face mask. Paediatrician. A Benin-based pediatrician, Dr. Samuel Ikponwanza, has advised the public, especially adults, to always wear face mask in order to curtail the spread of the Delta variant of the COVID-19. Family seeks help for sick 13-year-old boy. The health of a 13-year-old native of Omuo, Ekiti State, Tunda Ahmed, has thrown his poor family into distress, worsening the living condition in the household. It was learnt that Ahmed's stomach began to swell up 7 years ago and he was taken to a hospital for treatment. Challenges in Nigeria's management of sickle cell disease. Sickle cell disease is a genetic blood disorder inherited from one's parents and characterized by inheritance of 2 abnormal genes, with one of the abnormal genes being hemoglobin S. It's commoner in blacks, although it is a global disease. Why blood oxygen level is important. It is fairly common to have conversations about oxygen in our daily lives and to make references to the importance of this crucial gas in the sustenance of human existence. In God's infinite wisdom, it was made available to mankind and virtually all mammals to be able to derive their sustenance from its use. Claim husband sucking wife's breasts reduces cancer risk. Not scientific oncologist. A consultant clinical and radiation oncologist at the Department of Oncology, Federal Medical Center, Abeokuta, Dr. Sharif Folorunzo, shares with Godfrey George the risk factors and management of breast cancer. Is there any difference between breast cancer and having a lump in the breast? Breast lump is the presence of mass in the breast. Patients lying to doctors may lead to wrong diagnosis, death. Physicians warn. Senior health professionals say patients who lie to their doctors about their conditions are not doing themselves any good but are instead exposing themselves to serious health risks. This, they say, is because such lies can lead to wrong diagnosis, treatment, and even the death of the patient. How unregulated sales, use of locally made insecticides put Lagos residents at risk of cancer, kidney damage. Experts are warning that except urgent steps are taken by the government through the relevant regulatory agencies, the unrestricted sale and indiscriminate use of locally made insecticides in Lagos State may lead to widespread cases of cancer, kidney infection, and other ailments among residents. Traditional, religious beliefs fueling preeclampsia complications, gynecologists warn. Health experts have warned that traditional and religious beliefs are fueling complications from preeclampsia, noting that addressing this health condition should now be seen as crucial to curbing the increasing incidence of maternal mortality. Expert warns against inserting ice cream in vagina, injecting seasoning cubes in buttocks. The lead obstetrician and gynecologist at the Iru Specialist Teaching Hospital, Edo State, Dr. Joseph Okogale, has warned women against inserting ice cream into their vagina and injecting seasoning cubes into their buttocks.
6 states oppose FG's compulsory COVID-19 vaccination plan. Amid federal government's concern over many Nigerians' reluctance to take the COVID-19 vaccine and its plan to impose sanctions on those who refuse the vaccine when it is made available to all, some states have said they do not intend to force anyone to take the vaccine.
7 Gombe state health workers in police net for diverting 5,450 mosquito nets. 7 employees of Kwame and Billiri local government primary healthcare departments in Gombe State are currently in police net for diverting 5,450 insecticides-treated nets, ITNs, meant for free distribution in their communities. Vitamins, supplements that help fight inflammation. In medical context, inflammation is a process by which the white blood cells of the human body and the things they make protect its body from infection from outside invaders, such as bacteria and viruses.